Ever wonder why your baby keeps getting hiccups out of nowhere? It's not random, and it's actually kinda cool. Those little hiccups are caused by tiny spasms in your baby's diaphragm, the muscle that helps us breathe. But guess what? In babies, it's still learning how to work. That's why they hiccup. A lot. Especially after feeding or swallowing air. Totally normal. In fact, some babies even hiccup before they're born. Unless your baby seems uncomfortable or is spitting up a lot, there's usually nothing to worry about. It's just your baby's body figuring things out, one hiccup at a time. Worried about hiccups or feeding habits? Follow for more quick, no-stress baby tips. Because parenting shouldn't be overwhelming.